Do you need an attorney to prepare a will? Actually, you don't need an attorney to prepare a will, but I don't know why you would not use an attorney to prepare a will. So a will is a legal doc. Takes what is it supposed to? It's supposed to state your name, your address, information about you, and then take what you have, whether it be an asset, bank account, a house, anything that you own, the estate, broadly, right? This is estate planning, a will. So you take what you have, that's called your estate, and how do you get it to the people that you love, your family, friends, relationship partners? How do you get what you own during your life to them at your death? Why wouldn't you use a lawyer for that? A will, a simple will, should not be an expensive legal document. It certainly can be if you have guardianship provisions, if you have a number of bells and whistles that might be required. But if you need bells and whistles, you definitely should use a lawyer. You shouldn't use, an online will or the Staples will. What could those prices be? $75, $100, $150? I don't know what an online will would cost. Is it free? But if you're going to pay a small sum of money to a non-lawyer to provide you a will, why wouldn't you just go to a lawyer experienced in the field? I mean, don't go to an inexperienced lawyer. Don't go to someone that is going to do your divorce on Monday and your immigration case on Tuesday, and Wednesday your parking ticket. But go to a person experienced in this field and get a will. That being said, nearly anything in the law you can do on your own. You can sue City Hall, you can sue the government, you can process your own uncontested divorce, you could process a contested divorce. You could file your own immigration matter, I don't know if you could do it, you can file for a trademark. So many things you could do without a lawyer. But why? If you want that specific task done competently, accurately, swiftly, with a great degree of care, you should use a lawyer. That's my opinion. That's my prescription as a doctor of law on the internet. I prescribe for you. You should use a lawyer for you. This guy, or the guy or gal or entity, not in your jurisdiction. I'm about to get canceled. Some people of advanced age do not have any type of estate plan. No will, no trust, and no advance directives. An advance directive would be a power of attorney, a healthcare proxy, a living will. So there are people that have no plan and they're advancing in age. Infirmity is happening upon them, right? The disease of civilization, Alzheimer's, dementia, stroke, heart attack. What to do? Well, do a plan. But then we have a category of persons that have a plan, perhaps an ineffective plan, perhaps an excellent plan, right? Those are the crazy things. Perhaps an excellent plan if the person died suddenly, heart attack, dead. Well, then the plan works. That's not the way things happen. Sometimes tragedies do happen. Sometimes a person will live and die quickly. Most frequently in today's day and age with modern medicine, people live as a shell of themselves. They live with that onset type 3 diabetes, Alzheimer's, dementia, brain fog, and they need a rehabilitation center. They need a skilled level nursing facility. They need a location other than home. They need caregivers in the home. And they have a will. The will's not the right plan. The will protects nothing. The will, the last will and testament, it's a device. It's a legal instrument. Even when done perfectly, it only has force and effect after you pass away. So if a person passes away with a will, the will govern and control and distribute assets that were in that person's name. But if you become sick at an older age, if you become sick at any age, and you have a will, the will does not take effect while you are in this infirmity. So plan. If your fact-based situation suggests that a will is the best document, use it. If you're young, if you're middle-aged, if you're healthy, if you're robust. But think about, at some point, a trust to avoid probate and to protect your assets. If you need me, Frank, Bruno, Law.com.